Welcome to Yoga with Marie. This is a short yin yoga sequence for the hips. We'll begin in our first posture, bending our right knee, crossing the left foot over, making any modifications that you need to. And once you have the spine straight, you can inhale the right arm high up to the sky, hook the right arm around, twisting open towards the left. Honor your body. If it works for you to hook the elbow across the left knee, I trust you to honor what works for your body today. Relaxing into the breath, we're going to hold the pose, bringing breath into the body for expansion. At the same time, releasing any tension and tightness in the hips. You can close down the eyes. And notice if your mind becomes busy, trying to distract you. Pick a word to focus on that will lift you up, bring you joy, and stay focused on that word in your mind. And continue the long, deep breathing. On the next inhale, begin to release the pose, coming to center. Release the legs. Maybe extend the legs out in front of you and shake them out, tap them out, whatever feels comfortable for you before transitioning to the other side. And when you're ready, take the opposite leg and the opposite foot. Come to a straight spine. And then inhale the arms up or left arm up. And hook it around or take the elbow on the outside of the opposite knee, whatever works for you. Twisting open. Staying focused on that word for your intention. Long, deep breathing to create flexibility. Breathing into the hip and exhaling out any tension and tightness. Anything you don't need to hold on to, just let it go. Then on the next inhale, come back to center. Release the legs. Extend them out in front of you. Massage them, tap them, shake them out, whatever serves you to release any extra tension and tightness. And then when you're ready, bring the soles of the feet together, opening up into this butterfly. Begin with a straight back and a deep inhale. And as you exhale, tuck the chin into the chest, folding forward. And feeling this stretch in the hips. And at the same time, any release of tension and tightness in the neck and the shoulders. Relaxing into the breath. And releasing anything that you're holding on to. Just let it go. If the mind tries to distract you, use that word that you're focusing on for your intention. At the same time, focusing on the deep inhale and the deep exhale. On the next inhale, tuck the chin into the chest and roll up one vertebrae at a time, coming to a straight spine. Extend the legs out in front of you. Make any movements that feel flexible, yummy, and delicious to you, knowing that we're going to move into figure 4. And when you're ready, bending the knees and crossing the right ankle over the top of the left knee, and finding where your sit bones feel strong and grounded into the earth, and making micro movements to find where the stretch will be in the hip. And once you find it, close down your eyes. Keep the right foot flexed to protect the knee. Relax into the breath. Can you put a smile on your face as you're creating this expansion, this flexibility physically, mentally, and emotionally in you and through you? On the next inhale, begin to release the pose. Windshield wiper the knees to transition before going into the left side. And just notice how the right side feels compared to the left. And when you're ready, bring the legs to center. Cross the left ankle across the right knee. Keep the left foot flexed. Find that point of resistance where you feel the stretch, but it's not painful. Use the breath to bring the flexibility into the left hip. Can you close down your eyes? Does that feel comfortable? Taking the gaze within and focusing on that intention, that word that you set at the beginning of your practice. Notice that your breath is deep, bringing in the openness, creating space. And the exhale is letting go of any tension and tightness. On the next inhale, release the legs. Windshield wiper them again. Notice, how do both hips feel? Maybe you want more time in the poses. If so, you can come back and repeat this sequence. And when you're ready, come to an upright seated position. Legs are crossed. Spine is straight. Take a deep inhale. And on the exhale, gently fold forward. Bring the hands out in front of you, taking one final stretch into the back and into the hips. Take a deep inhale with me. And exhale out of the mouth, sigh it out, let it go. Release the tension and the tightness. And then gently walk the hands back towards the body. Bring the hands into prayer pose, honoring yourself for taking the time to practice today as I honor you. I thank you so much for showing up. Notice how you feel. Bow your head to your heart, closing your practice with peace, light, love, and joy. And please come back and visit again soon. Namaste.